Quack Quiz, proudly brought to you by Dis-Chem, pharmacists who care.
It is time for the Quack Quiz now. We're talking pregnancy, so get that app, do the Quack Quiz and see how you score against Rozanne. Now, from the size of a poppy seed at week 3 to a large watermelon at week 40, forming a new human being is the most complicated thing a person can do without having to think about it. Rozanne's in the Quack Quiz hot seat for 2 reasons today. One is the obvious one, she's pregnant. The other is because of her tweet last year, and I quote a tweet from November, everyone's an expert on pregnancy and exercise suddenly. I have a trainer and a doctor who are both very knowledgeable. Thanks. Hashtag, What prompted that?
Everyone was just giving me advice and saying, oh, you shouldn't be exercising at all, or this is what you should be doing, is what you shouldn't be doing. It all of a sudden became everyone else's pregnancy.
It's amazing, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, so Rozanne's message to you is don't, leave me alone. You know, it's the smile and wave, huh? All right, Rozanne, you know how this works. 10 questions. We're going to test what you know about pregnancy. I'm sure you're going to get 10 out of 10 for this. All pregnant moms are going to score 100%. But here goes. First question. How many additional calories do pregnant ladies need each day? 700, I'm eating for 2, remember, or 300? Less is more.
300.
You're spot on. Yeah. So you're eating a kind of 1 1/5 for your baby. In fact, too many calories, and you might end up with really big, heavy babies that are prone to diabetes. So absolutely, you don't need to eat for 2. True or false? Is it safe for a pregnant woman to have the flu shot?
Yes.
Yes, it's true. My word. And you just know that, or is that just a gut feel?
No, I researched it to find out if I got sick, what I would be able to do or what to do in order not to get the flu.
It's amazing. Pregnant moms make the best patients. In fact, they found that vaccinated moms who had the flu vaccination had higher birth weight babies, which is great. Fascinating, hey? I mean, if you're unsure, guys, just ask your doctor or ask your pharmacist. Third question, why are pregnant women warned against saunas, hot spas, and heavy sweating? Your baby will perspire in the womb, or high temperatures are harmful to the development of your baby?
The second one.
Yeah, you're right. High temperatures are harmful. You're already creating more heat because of the baby, so even more heat is not good for the child. Fourth question, how much alcohol is safe to consume when pregnant? None or 2 glasses of wine a week?
None.
Yeah, we discussed that earlier, didn't we? There is no amount of safe alcohol that you can have in pregnancy. Fifth question, which of these supplements is critical when preparing for pregnancy and while you're pregnant? Folic acid or calcium?
Folic acid.
You're such a head girl. That's amazing, man. 100% and no kind of double guessing or second guessing yourself. You're right. Folic acid. In fact, folic acid is a vitamin that can reduce the risk of your baby having a birth defect of the brain or spine, such as spina bifida. And because neural tube defects develop very early in pregnancy, it's best to start increasing your folic acid intake before you become pregnant. And taking a folic acid supplement is a safe and easy way to ensure you get enough of this very important vitamin, and I'm guaranteeing you Rozanne did that, hey?
3 months before we even decided to start trying.
It's amazing. Exercising while pregnant assists in what? Reducing the number of stretch marks or improved cardiovascular heart health for up to 20 years after pregnancy?
20 years is a long time, but I think it's the second one.
You're absolutely right. Improved health for up to 20 years after pregnancy. I mean, it's amazing. Women who exercise throughout pregnancy tend to stay healthy for decades, research has shown, which is great compared to women who don't exercise. A new study has shown that smoking while pregnant may increase what? A child's risk of obesity during adolescence or a child's risk of developing ADHD. Obesity or ADHD if smoking while pregnant?
Obesity.
Yes. Thought I might have had you there, but no.
No, I was on the borderline there, but obesity is what I'm going with.
It's amazing, hey? That what you do now has a lifelong impact on your child. Which of these foods should be avoided while pregnant? Chicken liver pate or hake and chips?
Chicken liver pate.
Yes, chicken liver. It's like you reading my answers.
No, not
you know, is there whispering from the audience? Yeah. Well, so far, 100%. Last 2 questions. Women who smoke will take an average of how much longer to conceive than non-smokers? Twice as long or 4 times as long?
Twice as long.
Oh, man, you were meant to get that wrong. How'd you get that right?
Because I used to smoke many, many years ago, and I wanted to know how all the smoking in my varsity days when I thought I was cool would affect trying to fall pregnant or trying to have a baby. So I looked it up.
Twice. You know what, you need to swap places with me. You know, this is fantastic. And for the final question, ta-da, for 100%, and some of you kind of going, I'll never beat Rozanne's score, probably not. True or false, the baby's position in your womb can tell you its sex? How the baby lies can tell you if it's a boy or a girl.
That's false.
It's so false, it's just not fun. Rozanne, well done. That is 100%. I can confidently say that you are more than ready to be a great mom. So well done. And looking forward to working with you on the show.
Thank you. I had to prove myself to prove why I'm here. And no, I'm glad I got 100%.
You went way beyond that, man. If you've got any more questions around a healthy pregnancy, you can get the Hello Doctor app. Text our doctors right now and ask them. It won't cost you a cent. Or you can just phone Rozanne, because she seems to have all the answers too.
The Quack Quiz, proudly brought to you by Dis-Chem, pharmacists who care.